You want to photograph the Andromeda galaxy in 10 seconds versus 10 hours. And the takeaway might surprise you. Ian Lauer's widely viewed YouTube explainers walk you through the basics of astrophotography, showing how a long-exposure image of Andromeda is built from shorter frames. The final image you see here is presented in black and white, but don't assume the galaxy lacks color. Color exists in the data. It just needs careful processing to reveal it. First, let's zoom into the image to see what's happening. When you zoom, you'll notice graininess, or noise, that obscures fine detail. This is exactly what we're trying to minimize. The standard approach is to capture multiple frames of the same target in succession, and then stack them in software. Stacking averages out the random noise across frames, producing a much cleaner result. For example, a single 1-minute exposure versus a stack of 10 1-minute exposures, both peering at the same galaxy, shows a dramatic improvement. The stacked image looks noticeably crisper, with far less noise, because the process averages out random fluctuations that appear in individual frames. If you're curious to dive deeper, Lauer's channel has a treasure trove of related videos. You can explore shooting the Milky Way from every light pollution level, and the best telescope for beginners, where he highlights the C-Star S50 all-in-one smart telescope. Many viewers prefer other telescope options shared across social platforms, too. And yes, I'm planning to watch a video about astrophotography with the iPhone 17 Pro next. This topic has broad appeal, from dedicated hobbyists to curious newcomers, so it's worth exploring across different gear and setups. If you'd like to learn more, check out these related topics and creators. Astronomy, Ian Lauer, photography, space, and video. Would you like this rewritten version to emphasize a specific aspect, such as the science of signal-to-noise ratio, practical setup steps, or a beginner-friendly checklist for starting in astrophotography? If so, tell me which angle you prefer, and I'll tailor the piece accordingly.